corruptions steal from everyone. Its take away schools, hospitals, and opportunities meant for us all.
When bribes are paid, justice is denied. When funds are stolen, communities suffer. Corruption may seem small, a favor, a gift, a shortcut, but it grows into a system that destroys trust, fairness, and our future.
Each of us has the power to say no, to report, to stand for integrity.
Let's break the change, choose honesty, choose transparency. Together, we can build a nation free from corruption.